Hey Reinas, we are back again with another new video. So this is going to be kind of like a challenge video. I have been seeing this picture pop up all over social media and I've been dying to try this makeup look out. So we are going to try to do this makeup look and hopefully it comes out good. Y'all know my favorite color is pink, so you know I had to rock the pink, okay? Make sure you keep watching to find out how it looks, if we, you know, did the damn thing or not. And make sure to follow me on all social medias. And let's get started. Okay, so I already have my primer on. I use the Tom Ford Traceless Soft Matte Primer, which looks like this. I absolutely adore this. It lasts literally all day. And it doesn't make my face oily, and I swear I have a filter on my face right now. Now we are going to go in with the Huda Beauty Foundation in Butter Pecan. You know, we're just gonna do a little bit of this. Just a little bit, just a little bit. Next up, guys, after the foundation, we are going to go in with the eyebrows next. I am using the KyBrow by Kylie Jenner in medium brown. I need to get a darker one, actually, like I'm almost at. You see that? It hit the bottom. It's hit pan, so Kylie, please sponsor me. I just brush my brows out and then I go in. There goes the bottom, and let's do the top. And now we are going to create this look on this side, right? Ta-da! Like that nifty little trick I did. Okay, next up will be, we're not going to do too much to the eyes. So what we're going to do is we are going to apply the concealer. And y'all know I like to go in with my Shape Tape concealer right here. So we are going in right here, right here. Wet Beauty Blender right here, and at the with the tip we're gonna go in. We're gonna do that, and we're gonna do a little bit right here, a little bit right there, and a little bit right here. Hopefully this makeup look comes out really good because I'm kind of scared. We are setting this with our banana powder. Next up, what we're going to do is we are going to let this bake. That's enough of that. Let's take this all off. Bronzer, bam, yes. We're going in with the Fenty Beauty bronzer in Island Teen, cause I'm an island boy. Okay, now that that is done and we are bronzed to the gods, we are going to start off with the look. We are going to be going in with the Festival by Juvia's Place. It looks like this. We will be going in with this one, and we will be going in with another palette because we need like a white. So we'll be going in with this color, this pink color. So now let's go in with the white color in Divine. And we're gonna put it in our inner corners right here. It is time for the powder. We're going in with the All Nighter Waterproof Setting Powder. There goes that. Yes, my reinas. Okay, we are doing lashes. As you can see, I have this one. Except we are doing this one. Blue, 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 blue. Hey, hey. Hey guys, next up we are going to do the lipsticks. We're going in with the Amuse Cosmetics Matte Lip Rouge in shade Cheeky. And we are going in with the Colourpop in 951. It looks Next up, it's the gloss, and we're going in with the Lip Injection Lip Gloss by Too Faced Cosmetics. Now it's time for the rhinestones. I already have 2 on, so let's try to get some more. Okay, Reinas, that is the finished look. I think I did pretty good for my first time, but we are going to do the hair and change. But I like it. I like the way that it came out. Okay, Reinas, this is the finished look. I do like the way that it turned out. It turned out really pretty, better than I expected it to be. I do think I need tons more practice with this, which I'm going to be doing different colors as well. Let me know what color you would like to see next, and make sure to follow me on all of my social medias. They're all under Thenatalireina. I'm everywhere: Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, everywhere. Okay, and yeah, tune in next week for the next new video. I wonder what it could be. Bye guys. Peace.